How would you feel if your next move included a stylish, one-of-a-kind, detached condo in an unbeatable location?
I mean, it's less than 5 minutes from pretty much anything and everything you could want. Publix, HCA Hospital, Momentum Fitness, District 850, and less than 10 minutes from things like Tom Brown Park and the Market District, which among other things boasts REI, Kairos, and LITC, Tallahassee's premier barbershop.
And what if this condo offered 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a huge 18 by 13 bonus room and totaled over 1,700 square feet? Not to mention a screened-in back porch and fully fenced-in backyard. Does that spark your interest? Maybe even excite you? Let's go inside then and take a look.
As you step inside, you're greeted by freshly painted walls and inviting, stylish decor, high ceilings, and a cozy wood-burning fireplace. The clean, open-concept kitchen connects seamlessly to the quaint dining room, perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner with family and friends. The kitchen also connects to the huge 18 by 13 bonus room.
So this room is currently being used as a home office, but could easily be converted into a game room, a home gym, or even a 4th bedroom since it has a huge 12 by 6 walk-in closet.
Moving upstairs, you'll find a guest bathroom, 2 spacious guest bedrooms, and this inviting master bedroom with beautiful natural light, walk-in closet, and ensuite bath. Next, we move out back to a cute screened-in porch overlooking a private, nicely shaded, fully fenced backyard that provides plenty of room for your 4-legged friends to run around and play. This unit is virtually maintenance-free in that the condo association takes care of your lawn maintenance and all exterior building maintenance as well.
And this condo is the only detached unit in the entire complex, which means
it also has the largest lot and biggest backyard, and the longest driveway that sits next to 2 of the condo's guest parking spaces, which provides the most generous parking for when your friends and family visit.
Ladies and gentlemen, this condo has so much going for it. And the location value alone? Simply incredible. So there are very few sure things in life, but this condo just might be one of them. So give us a call, 850-296-8632, and set up your private showing today.